Welcome to our channel. If you want to change your OnStar subscription plan, follow these step-by-step instructions to upgrade, downgrade, or modify your service. Step 1. Log into your OnStar account by visiting OnStar.com or opening the My OnStar app on your smartphone. Step 2. Click on Account or tap the menu icon to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Manage Plan or Subscription to view your current OnStar plan details. Step 4. Click Change Plan or Upgrade Downgrade to see available OnStar subscription options. Step 5. Review the different plan options including protection, security, navigation, connection, premium, and add-on services like Wi-Fi data plans. Step 6. Select the plan you want to switch to by clicking on it. Compare features like emergency services, roadside assistance, navigation, remote commands, and Wi-Fi hotspot. Step 7. Review any price differences and prorated charges or credits that will apply to your account for the current billing period. Step 8. If upgrading, confirm your payment method on file is current. If downgrading, note which features you'll lose access to. Step 9. Review the plan. Change summary showing your new plan, features, pricing, and effective date. Step 10. Click Confirm or Complete Change to finalize your plan modification. Step 11. You'll receive a confirmation email with your updated plan details. Step 12. Your vehicle's OnStar system will automatically update with your new plan features within a few minutes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.